Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to another video. We're on our way to go take these pups for a walk. My parents got a puppy a couple of months ago, and so now there are 3 dogs in the family. And although we love a structured leash walk, some days it's really nice to be able to go let them off leash and live their lives. So we have an area that we like to go to where we can do that. And that's where we're going this morning. I am gonna pick my mom up and her puppy on the way. And yeah, best way to start the day is getting some fresh air, walking with the pups. I absolutely love it. It's like by far one of the best things about having a dog is that time spent outside with them. They just are so happy. So yeah, that's the plan for this morning. And then we have some other things that we need to get to, but that is it for now. Oh my gosh, I really filled this thing to the brim. So good. Since moving into my auntie's house a couple of days ago, I haven't had my favorite protein smoothie. I have this thing literally every day and have had it for months. But when we got here, we didn't have all of the things that usually go in it. And for the first 2 days, I also couldn't find her blender, but I didn't want to bug her while on vacation. So today I did an entire search of the kitchen and I found her Vitamix. And yesterday during the grocery shop, I also grabbed a couple of things that I needed for this. And yeah, I am so happy about this right now. It's gonna be a good day. As you saw in the previous clip, I made way too much of the smoothie. I'm obviously so used to my Beast blender that using the Vitamix, my proportions were completely off. So I have a lot of smoothie to go through this morning. But again, I'm not mad at it. I'm just making up for the last couple of days. For the remainder of this morning, I am just, surprise, gonna do some work on my computer. I have a little bit of editing and posting to do. And then I think in a couple of hours, I'm gonna head to my sister's house. She has her boyfriend's staff Christmas party tonight and she asked if I could curl her hair for her. So I think I'm gonna go over there in a couple of hours and do that. I'm also gonna go to the gym at some point. But for now, I am going to enjoy this and do some work and yeah, enjoy the rest of this morning before we get into the rest of our day. Wow, I think I need to get a Vitamix. This consistency is unreal. This is like by far the best smoothie I think I've ever had. There's literally no way. There is no way that she did this. My brand manager, Leah, who I've mentioned on my channel before, I am literally obsessed with her. She came into my life over a year ago now. We've been working together since October of 2023. And she literally is the biggest blessing in my life when it comes to helping organize my life as a content creator and an influencer. I just would not be here without her. I feel like I need to do a proper sit down chat with you guys to talk about my content creation journey. But long story short, Leah has made the biggest difference when it comes to, I literally couldn't have imagined the things that we've done in this past year. And I'm so lucky that I get to work with her every day. Anyway, she messaged me saying that she sent a little Christmas package and it arrived. And again, since we're staying at my auntie's, I wanted to make sure that I brought all of the packages in. And I think we need an unboxing. Oh, she's literally the cutest human being in the whole wide world. So we have the iconic Djerf Avenue robe. It's really funny too because I've been posting a lot more lifestyle stuff. There's so many clips where I'm just coming out of the shower or I'm getting ready for the day, and I've thought to myself, a robe would be really nice right now. So now I have my first ever Djerf Avenue robe. This is so cute. And then it looks like we have matching towels, I want to say. Yeah, small printed towel set, summer berries. You can see it right here. Djerf Avenue on there as well. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Well, my getting ready videos just got a lot cuter. Leah, I know that you watch these videos. I absolutely adore you. Thank you so much. This is literally, what is my life? I cannot believe it. That's so cute. Oh my gosh, I can't. So while I was studying, I got the most exciting delivery notification that we had received yet another package at home. But this one, we have actually been waiting for a very long time. We originally placed this order with Canada Post right before it went on strike. So we have this exact same package sitting somewhere here in Canada. We have no idea what happened to those clothes. We were able to reorder this package and it finally arrived. Now these are all clothes for Quinn, but thought that we would do an unboxing together just because all of these pieces are honestly so amazing. I had so much fun shopping for these, and I feel like especially if you are scrambling for some last minute Christmas presents for your boyfriend, partner, that special man's in your life, YoungLA is the place. Now we have a lot to get through, so let's get started. Starting off, we have a really nice basic oversized white tee. Quinn has like 4 or 5 YoungLA tees, and they are by far his and my favorite. They just have such a good fit and they keep up really well in the wash. I don't do anything too special with any of his clothing, and they by far hold the fit the best. Next is an item that is definitely a little bit more out there for my picks, but it is this super cool pair of camo cargo pants. I would say like 6 months ago, we went to Vancouver and we went to Zara and we got Quinn on the wide leg pant train. We got him a couple pairs of wide leg jeans and I am just obsessed with that look. So I thought this fun pair of camo pants paired with even that plain t-shirt, so good. Next up, we have another basic. This is a white long sleeve. It has the YoungLA emblem right there and then the YLA on the back. Again, just a really good basic. And I don't actually think he has any YLA long sleeves. He has a bunch of t-shirts, but you can never have too many basic long sleeves. Next, we have the first of a few hoodies. This is a beautiful charcoal blue toned hoodie. Once again, we have light blue emblem right there. And then we have big logo on the back. Again, the way that YoungLA clothing fits is just the absolute best. Very excited about this. Here we have another hoodie. Now this logo is definitely a little bit more out there. Again, just very oversized, very boxy. Now I didn't know that this hoodie was actually distressed. So there are holes in it, which is totally the style. I didn't know that when ordering it, and I don't know if he's gonna love it. But again, you can't ever have too many oversized, boxy, big hoodies. Like I feel like I could live in this, so we'll make do. Next up, we have another pair of wide leg pants. This time we have wide leg sweatpants. You guys know I love a grout fit, obviously. So I think it was about time that Quinn had his very own matching set. I believe that there is a quarter zip or a crew neck to match this somewhere in the box. Here is the matching quarter zip. Once again, just nice and big and oversized and boxy with the nice drop shoulder and little quarter zip. Nice minimalistic logo. It's just 10 out of 10. Next up, we have a couple of jackets. This first jacket is this super cool aviator jacket. Almost has a bit of a bomber look. So good. This next jacket is definitely the one that I was most excited about. It's like this super cool flannel zip up. Again, just boxy and so good. I'm obsessed with this. I personally love this look and this fit on Quinn. So this paired with a wide leg jean and a basic top, 10 out of 10. And this one, Quinn was quite excited about. It is a YoungLA puffy. Oh my God, I'm definitely stealing this. Wow, that's so good. Such an exciting haul. I'm gonna make sure to link everything in the description box down below. I am currently working with YoungLA, so if you wanna snag anything for yourself or your boyfriend, then you can use code nairee to save at checkout. Okay, I am gonna do my best to convince Quinn to give me a try on haul right now. He's in bed, so this might be a little bit difficult, but anyway, I'm gonna close out the video right here. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I think this is Vlogmas day number 12. And yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe, do all of the things. I will see you guys tomorrow.